Okay folks, here's another Lechway cow that's very dead even though she's moving. I spined her. I shot her with a 30-06 and you know, again, another 200-pound animal. I don't really want to get kicked. She's got her reflexes going. She's very dead. Yeah, she's completely dead. When animals die, including humans, there's all this energy leaving the body, so reflexes and nerves are kind of firing. There's no control center left, so they don't know how to fire, but they fire. Kind of wanted you to see a number of these cull shots. She's very dead, even though you'll see there's a little bit of twitching going on. When animals die, including humans, there's all this energy leaving the body. The control center, i.e. the brain, is shut down, but there's still energy, so nerves are firing and stuff, and there's a little bit of twitching going on. If you'll come a little closer, here's the entry hole. 30-06. It's a Buffalo Boar factory load. It's 180 grain Sierra Game King, moving at 2,800 feet a second at the muzzle. I just shot her offhand at 100 yards.
Point it out again, babe.
What's that?
Point it out again. Oh,
There's your entry hole,
okay.
right there. And kind of a mess. So folks, I'll show you the exit hole. It's right here. And you can see I can put my finger all the way through if I want to the entry hole. And, you know, it's a gaping hole. And, you know, it broke the back of her skull and her spine. There is no way, and I keep saying this over and over, you'll probably all get tired of it. There's no way Charlie Kirk was shot with a 30-06, not even some hand-loaded reduced load or anything like that. People keep telling me. I have shot so many animals doing this work that I actually know what I'm talking about versus somebody on the internet just giving an opinion or hypothesizing. Charlie Kirk was not shot with a 30-06. None of the official story they tell in the Charlie Kirk investigation is true. None of it. There's holes, pardon the pun, in all of it. It's a fabricated government cover-up lie. So what else are they lying about? Pretty much everything. If you see federal government officials with their lips moving, there's a good chance they're lying. There's your exit hole. When those bullets expand at those kind of velocities, they make a very big hole. This is why I keep saying over and over, I mean, Charlie Kirk was not shot with a 30-06. Anyway, these culling operations are interesting. I don't really have a bloodlust. I don't really like killing stuff, but it's necessary, and the meat goes to, you know, a good cause. So this is what we do to keep our animals from starving to death when there's a drought or, you know, some kind of a food shortage, because they will overpopulate. Every one of these Lechway cows, and we've got at least 100 running on this property, every last one of them will have a baby. So you just, you know, you have to cull them, and like I said, the meat goes to good use. So anyway, folks, we'll see you on the next video.